Yeah!
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. Today, we are going to draw an animal that lives in the sea. It is usually gray in color. It makes whistling sounds to communicate. It can swim really fast. Can you guess what it is? That's right, a dolphin. And not only will we be drawing a dolphin, but it will also be a baby dolphin. Do you know what a baby dolphin is called? That's right, a calf. So, grab your pencil and a sheet of paper and let's get started. We are going to start with a dolphin's tail. First, start drawing a wide heart shape from left to right. Do not fully close your heart. Leave a small space at the base so that the two lines do not join. This space will help us draw the dolphin's body. Body or head. Start at the end point of the left side of your tail, and from there, draw a semi-oval just like that, with a curve slightly going down from left to right. We will call this line the belly line. Great job! While you continue drawing your curve, make it go up, giving it the shape of a semicircle. This will be the head of our dolphin. Don't let go of your pencil just yet. We're almost there. Instead of closing the circle, curve your line again, going a little downwards, and join it with the end point of the right side of your tail. Just like that. Amazing! And voila! Your body should look a little like a big speech bubble balloon in a comic book, or even a horizontal drop of water. Now that we've drawn the tail, the body, and the head, let's add our beak. On the opposite side of the tail, in the middle of the semicircle, draw a triangle with a rounded edge. Let it tilt a little upward. There you go! You can then erase the baseline of the beak, so it doesn't look disconnected from the rest of the body. Did you know that dolphins are mammals, not fish? Dolphins breathe from their lungs, and when they need to catch a breath, they swim to the surface and breathe through the blowhole on the top of their head. Now, how do dolphins move underwater? That's it! With their flippers. Let's draw the flippers on both sides of our dolphin. First, on the middle of the belly line right there, start drawing a small semicircle from left to right, just like that. Amazing job! Now, go to the left base point of your semicircle and draw a triangle with a rounded edge that tilts a little to the left. The triangle should end on the right point of your semicircle. Your dolphin is really coming to life. Now, on the right side of the belly line, draw a very small curve, just like that. The flippers are done, but we need to draw one more, the dorsal fin. The dorsal fin goes on the dolphin's back, so draw a rounded, triangular shape on the top of our dolphin. Let's add some features to our dolphin. Firstly, to give our dolphin some eyes, draw two small ovals next to each other on the left side of the beak. Make the one to the left slightly bigger than the one to the right. You can add a few little circles between the eyes and the dorsal fin. Now, let's add a smile to our lovely dolphin. From the tip of the beak, draw a line in the shape of a smile. Great job, everyone! Finally, on the dolphin's belly, draw a curve that looks like a small wave, from left to right. Now that we've drawn our dolphin, it's time to color. As always, you can follow our suggestions or create your own color scheme. It's up to you. There are no limits when it comes to your imagination when coloring. For our dolphin, we'll be using light blue, blue, dark blue, and black. Easy, right? First, use the light blue crayon to color inside the belly. Then, use the regular blue crayon to color the body along with the tail. It looks great! I'm so impressed. Now, use the dark blue crayon to color the fins and the small circles next to fin 3. Coloring the small circles will give a shine to our little dolphin. With that same dark blue crayon, Go ahead and shade the smile. Take your time. There's no need to rush. And last but not least, grab your black crayon now. Use it to fill in the dolphin's eyes. You can start with either the right or the left eye. It's up to you. Great job, everyone! What a beautiful dolphin you've just created! Parents, your child has done an amazing job. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.
That was fun!